Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Photo Reviews channel, the channel that brings you reviews and tests of interesting photo equipment and accessories. Today we have one really interesting backpack from Lowepro company, namely Lowepro Whistler 350 AW. Let's see how this bag looks like. Let's talk a little bit about the exterior of this backpack. As soon as you touch the backpack, it's completely clear that it's made of excellent materials. These materials are so hardcore materials that can withstand all kinds of abuse that probably you cannot withstand. But this bag can, believe it or not. This bag is planned for adventurous photographers, for people who hike, for people who go to mountaineering, for alpine skiing, and people that live a bit on the edge maybe. On the front side you have these buckles, these straps that you can attach some of the photo accessories, maybe tripod or something like that, or skis or something else. On the left side you have also these straps, these buckles, and these attachment points that you can attach some additional carrying pouch or bags for lenses or other equipment. And by the specification of the company, you can attach one ski here and the other ski on the other side. Of course, if it's not too heavy for you to carry all the photo gear and additional skis on both sides of this backpack. You try it and then tell us how it was. We won't try it for sure. Okay, let's go with the back side of the backpack. On the back side you have high quality straps, harness system that is made of several parts. You have these parts that go on your shoulders, you have this lower part that goes around your waist with additional pocket here for maybe your phone or keys or some other accessories. And you have a sternum strap or chest strap here for additional comfort and balancing the backpack on your back when it's fully loaded. On the back side of this backpack you see ActivZone, which is proprietary addition of the Lowepro company. It's made to make you sweat less, and these pads here are added for extra carrying comfort when we have lots of gear inside. About the upper side of the bag you have these zippers. These zippers are here to let you expand the bag a bit more if you carry a bit more equipment. And when you open this zipper on the top, you have additional compartment for some additional stuff you can carry. Maybe you can put a flash gun here, or keys, or filters, spare batteries, maybe some piece of cloth that you need to wear. And here is a rain cover. All models of Lowepro bags that have AW in their name, that's for all-weather cover. Let's see this front compartment. When we open these clamps and then open this front compartment, the Lowepro says it's some kind of dry zone compartment. You can put here everything that got wet during your endeavors, and then it will stay safely protected and won't damage your precious photo gear. Also, you can attach a little tripod here if you don't want to carry it on the outside of the bag, and there are some additional meshed pockets here for some accessories, maybe for some filters or batteries or everything you need to carry on with you. Regarding this bottom side of the backpack, you have this hole here, which is there for the stuff that you put that are wet inside that dry zone compartment, so the moisture can go outside to drain, so it doesn't stay inside the bag. Also, this is extra padded for extra protection when you put your backpack like this on some extreme surfaces. On this right side, you have another additional pocket for small accessories that can be used for filters or something like that. Now, let's see the main compartment, which is conveniently on the back of the backpack, so you don't get it dirty, and you can access it with all the extra gear you mount around the bag. You can always access your main compartment and your precious gear. Here is how it looks like. On this side we have small pockets for memory cards. We have another compartment, zippered compartment here, and the main compartment is additionally protected with this extra part which goes around, goes up on it, and can be closed with this Velcro tape if you need extra protection of your gear not to fall out. But as you will see in our test, when we fully load this bag with gear, you can see that the gear won't fall out, because it's very cramped inside and not so much space for spacious gear. Some additional information about this main compartment. You have these 4 attaching points that you can release and completely remove this inside part and close it with this, and then you can carry it completely outside or independently from this backpack. Also, you have these orange dividers, which give very good contrast against these gray dividers, and you can find your little stuff that maybe falls somewhere in the bag. You have this Velcro, additional Velcro compartments too, that you can store some maybe GoPro cameras and some stuff like that. They can fit inside. So here is how this backpack looks like when it's loaded with equipment. We have put here the mirrorless camera, an Nikon Z6 with a Tamron 150 to 600 millimeters attached, which is exactly what the Lowepro specified as the exact what fits in this backpack. But as you can see, it's a bit crampy inside. We had to remove some of the compartments that were down there and up there. Also, we have packed 70 to 200. We have packed 16 to 35 millimeters and 105 millimeters macro lens. As you can see, we have 3 additional lenses with 1 attached to the camera. But if you want to carry all your lens hoods with your lenses, you can forget about it. They won't fit because there is not enough width of this main compartment to carry them. So if you need to carry all your lens hoods, then maybe you should look at some other options, or maybe try bigger Whistler backpack, which is a 450 AW. But as a matter of fact, Lowepro suggests that the bigger bag is only thicker and not wider nor higher than this one. So maybe you can only carry an additional vertical grip. I doubt you can fit this big lens hoods inside a bigger bag. Now let's see how this backpack looks when mounted on your back. I can tell you that I'm around 190 centimeters or 6.2 feet tall. I won't give you my weight. It doesn't matter. You can stretch these buckles the way you want it. Here's the sternum strap too for additional comfort. And that's how this backpack looks like on your shoulders and on your back. I can tell you that it fits pretty comfortable and you can adjust it just the way it fits you best. And we can conclude with some positives and negatives of this Lowepro 350 all-weather backpack. On the first touch, you have to admit that these materials are outstanding. They can withstand every harsh condition you can possibly encounter in your photography endeavors. And about that, you have no complaint. Everything is really well done regarding materials. You have a lot of additional attaching points, so you can carry a lot of additional gear. Of course, if you're willing to carry 20 kilos on your back, you're welcome to do it. You can carry even skis attached to the sides. You have several options of attaching tripods, even attaching tripod inside the bag in this dry zone. You have excellent harness system and straps and buckles to carry your load very comfortably. You have this ActivZone for less sweat and more comfort. But the biggest and the main disappointment maybe of this backpack is, as we showed you when we fully packed it with our gear, is that you cannot really fit what is specified by the manufacturer. You can fit 150 to 600 millimeters lens attached to the camera, but you cannot carry any lens hoods on any of your lenses because you don't have enough of nor width nor depth. So ideally, maybe you could try a bigger backpack, 450 AW, but as a Lowepro specified, it's not higher, it's not wider, it's just thicker than this bag. So maybe you can carry additional vertical grip on your camera and maybe put some of your lenses vertically here, but with lens hoods I think it's a no-no. So that's it. We can conclude that this is a high quality backpack, maybe the highest quality that we have ever had a chance to see and try. If some of the negatives that we told you about are not the deal breaker for you, and you don't need to carry all your lens hoods, and you don't need to carry 150 to 600 millimeters lens all the time, maybe carry 70 to 200 millimeters lens and some smaller lenses, although I don't see the point of carrying this bag with smaller lenses. You need really big zooms for this lens, for the activity you're going to do using this backpack. Then maybe this product is for you. Of course, this quality comes at some significant price that maybe isn't for everyone. But if you see this bag fits your needs, then you are welcome to buy it. Thank you for being with us, and until next time, wish you all the best and bye-bye.